So we needed a CAD software that is reliable and customizable to our needs, easy to use, cost effective, and most importantly, has a good support system from both yourself and especially Chempute Werner and his team. And we ideally wanted a single package that we can use for all the different engineering disciplines so that we don't have to set up separate databases for all the different software packages. That's the challenge that we had, and Werner and his team at Chempute introduced us to BricsCAD, and after the test and trial and everything, we found it to be exceptional solution. So on the mechanical side especially, we needed the transition from a 3D model to a 2D drawing, specifically getting the 2D drawing to our standards and all our specifications that we need to comply with, where other software doesn't. So the BricsCAD Mechanical has a great option and feature where you can do your modeling and then just transition it to a 2D drawing, where the drawing then obviously comply with all our requirements and our needs, and where it's also already to our standards and what we need it to look like. With all the capabilities that we get with BricsCAD Mechanical, it's an ideal option and very affordable as well.
So during the evaluation, our mechanical department, drafting lead, the piping department, drafting, as well as myself, tested everything after we've went through the setup and the database to make sure everything is actually working as we anticipated. And we said switch off everything else and we go full on BricsCAD. The switch was actually quite easy. I think after the training sessions we had with the guys, some of them were a bit reluctant. A lot of people don't like change, so that was the biggest concern for us, to get them to physically accept the change. But once they got around that, they actually started enjoying the new software more. So that made it much smoother after we've asked them to just give it a go, changing their mindsets, and now they love the software. It's very flexible, the way we can customize the software for each department. We have civil, mechanical, piping, process, control and instrumentation. So sometimes we don't want everybody to access all the information all the time, because that's a lot of information to go through to be able to do your drawings. Using this customizations with the tool palettes, we can switch off the parts we don't need. So that was where we decided to go for it, because it makes it a lot easier and smoother, and to enforce a standard as well, because now everything they need is already on the palette.
I would say it's definitely a major success. Once we made all the customizations and set up all the tools palettes, our efficiency improved because we can do the drawings faster, and the quality also improved because we have a set standard and everyone needs to use that standard and they can find it easily on the tools palette.